Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OPPO Reno15 Pro. In this video I will show you how to use the Smart Bar on this device. So, in order to use it on your device, first of all, of course, let's enable and customize it. In your settings, you want to scroll down to section Accessibility and Convenience, and under section Window and Gestures, you want to tap on Smart Sidebar. Of course, use this toggle to turn it on. And now let's customize it. If you open floating bar section, you can set if you want to display it or not. You can set auto hide. Additionally, you can adjust its size, transparency, up or down, and also its position on your screen, left or right. Let's go back and let's go to sidebar style, where you can set if you want to have one column or two columns. And in the section file doc, if you enable it, then you can use the feature save to file doc. Okay. So now how to use your Smart Sidebar. In order to open it, you want to swipe in from the edge of your screen, like this, where your small sidebar appears, just like this. And additionally, you can tap some icons for screenshot, partial screenshot, screen recording, etc. And in order to open application in floating window or split screen, for split screen you want to drag it like this, and as you can see, split view, so you have to release your finger and then select the second application for your split screen view. But if you want to select some kind of application as your floating window, simply tap on the application, and now this is your floating window. So that's it. That's how you can use Smart Sidebar on your OPPO Reno15 Pro device. I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.